Welcome to this tutorial video about how to buy parts online. You can shop for parts on our website, greentractors.ca. On the header tab, click on the icon that says Shop Parts. This will take you to the landing page where you can shop for parts online. Click on the banner to continue. This will take you to the main landing page where you can shop for parts at any Green Tractors location. Please note, at the top you may select your default location to choose which location you prefer to shop at. If you know the part number of the part you wish to purchase, please enter it in the search tab and press search. This will show the current inventory of all the parts at the location you've selected and every Green Tractors location, so you can cross-search for parts at any store. To add this part to your shopping list, click on the shopping cart icon, enter the quantity required, and press Add. You will receive a notification at the top of the screen that this item has been successfully added to your shopping cart, and you will notice there's an icon to show that there is something in your cart for checkout. If you need to look up the part number, click on the John Deere icon, which will take you to John Deere Parts Advisor, where you can look up the parts catalog for any item you wish. If you are new to this website, you can click on the question mark button to get help, ask a question, or look at frequently asked questions. Now you can search for equipment by PIN number, model, or type of equipment. In this instance, we will search by the serial number of the equipment, which is the best way to isolate the parts required for your machine. You can use the pictorials or the descriptions to drill down to the various sections of the equipment. In this example, I'm looking for some common maintenance parts, so I'm going to click on the pictorial that shows all the different maintenance parts. In this screen, there's a list of all the common consumables and/or maintenance parts. For this example, I'm going to be looking for filters. Here I can see a diagram of the tractor itself where the common maintenance items are located, so I can either use the pictorial to find the exact location, or I can use the right hand side to scroll through a complete list which has a description of all the different maintenance parts. If you click on the different parts in the pictorial, it will automatically scroll to the associated part in the right hand side. In this instance, I'm looking for an oil filter for my tractor. I simply select it, and then I go over to the right hand side and I add to cart. This will show me that I've added this part to my shopping cart. From here I can view what's in my shopping cart by clicking on the shopping cart icon. Note that you can't see quantity or pricing until we go back into the My Dealer checkout. So from here we can either continue shopping or proceed to checkout. Back in the Green Tractors My Dealer parts window, we can now see availability, including availability at other locations, and price. From here we can continue shopping, or if the total parts list is complete, we can check out items. You can finalize your order using your existing Green Tractors My Dealer account profile, sign up at greentractors.ca, or in this instance I will show you how to use the guest checkout option. At the top of the screen you can still review the parts list to make sure what is in the shopping cart is correct. Under the order details, these are not required fields, but they are very helpful if you need to fill in purchase order, reference number, description, or if you have any special comments for the parts department. All fields highlighted red will be outlined that they are required fields. Please fill them out completely. Our parts representatives require this information for any follow-up queries and to finalize the order. Next, it is very important to select the correct pickup location. This will generate the order at this individual store, so make sure you select the store that you are closest to and/or do the most business with. Finally, under payment information, please click the To Be Determined tab, as the parts department will follow up with you to find your preferred payment method. Finalize your order by clicking Submit Order, and a Green Tractors parts representative will be in touch with you shortly to complete the transaction. Thank you for watching, and please follow up with a Green Tractors location directly if you have any further questions.